Hello artists! Today we will draw a blue hippo inspired by the Hippo statuettes that were found in ancient Egyptian tombs. You will need a work mat, a piece of paper, a pencil, an eraser, blue, white, and black crayons, possibly a black marker, and the lotus flower design guide. Using a pencil, draw a C shape in the upper right corner of your paper. Connect a sideways U shape to the C to form the hippo's head and nose. Draw two small ears. Draw two circles with smaller circles inside for the eyes. Draw two nostrils and a mouth. Starting underneath the hippo's head, draw a vertical line to form the front of the hippo's body. Then draw its two front legs. Place your pencil in between the hippo's ears and draw a long curved line to form the hippo's back. Draw one back leg, then the hippo's belly. Then draw another back leg behind the first one. Be sure to give your hippo a tail. Using a black crayon or a black marker, go over all of your pencil lines. Erase any pencil lines that are still showing. The ancient Egyptians created hippo statuettes or little statues out of faience, a ceramic material made from ground quartz. Blue glaze, which represented the Nile River, was applied to the hippo statuettes. Use a blue crayon to color your hippo blue. Notice how I am using the side of my crayon and coloring evenly in one direction. I applied a second layer of blue crayon, coloring in the opposite direction as I had done the first time. Applying more than one layer of crayon and alternating the direction of my crayon marks provides a more even application of color. The ancient Egyptians decorated the blue hippo statuettes with images of lotus flowers, buds, and leaves to represent the plants which grew along the Nile River. Using the lotus flower design guide as inspiration, use your black crayon to decorate your hippo with lotus flowers, buds, and leaves. The ancient Egyptians believed that statues could come alive, so they often broke off the legs of the hippo statuette to prevent it from harming anyone once it was placed in the tomb. Art conservators often placed new legs on the hippo statues displayed in museums. You can see this one looks like the legs are a lighter blue than the body. You can make your hippo drawing look like it has new legs too. First, draw a jagged line at the top of the legs. Then, use a white crayon on the legs to make the legs appear to be a lighter shade of blue than the body. Another option for decorating your hippo is to use a black marker to go over your pencil lines and draw the lotus plants before coloring the hippo blue. I can't wait to see your finished drawing. Please use your Chromebook to take a photo of your artwork and attach it to this assignment in Google Classroom. I hope you had fun learning about ancient blue hippos.